email list building is important for any kind of business that you are building, whether online or even offline. But most people don't know email marketing to make the most sales, and I can guarantee you it's not what you think. So in this video, I'm going to give you some email marketing tips to help you make more sales, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Sifiso Mhlongo here, Njomande Kamkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. So what is email list building exactly? I'm precisely saying email list building because I know if you are building a network marketing business, maybe you are thinking that list building is just writing a list of your friends, family, and everyone that you know. And that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about building an email list of people who are actually interested in what you have to sell. So how do you build an email list? You simply give away content that will be valuable to your target audience in exchange for their email address. By driving targeted traffic to your content, you can collect loads of emails every day by using a capture page, and that is called list building. Now let's continue talking about email marketing to help you make more sales. You know, generating targeted leads is very easy, but most network marketers mess up because after they start building a list, it's like they forget that their list is made up of real people. What do I mean by that? Well, as soon as they build an email list, they start pitching their list to buy this and buy that with every email. You know, they completely forget that doing that will turn people off, and eventually they just unsubscribe or stop opening your emails altogether. So when you pitch your business or products with every email that you send, it's like going into a car dealership and the salesman just walks up to you and says, Sifiso, buy a Toyota Corolla. No. Sifiso, buy a Mini Cooper. No. Okay, Sifiso, buy a BMW 7 Series. No, and I'm out of there. That's what you are doing to your list if you pitch them in every email. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't sell in your emails because we are all doing this to make money. What I'm saying is that you need to build a relationship with your email list first before you start pitching them. And even if you are building a relationship with them, you never just want to pitch them to just buy stuff. So how do you build a relationship with your list? Well, email them with information that will help them in their lives. You know, if they are building a network marketing business, give them tips that will help them with their business. If they are into losing weight, give them tips that they can use to help them lose weight. Your goal should be to provide your email list with valuable information that helps them even if they choose to never buy anything from you. Now, here's a little secret. After you have given your audience the tips that they are looking for, then you can say, if you like more information on this topic, you can take a look at this. That should be your link, maybe on your email or on your video, which will promote what you are selling. You should focus on providing 90% value and 10% selling. If you put this into practice permanently, you'll start to make a whole lot of sales. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.